Hello, sir. My name is Bonifacius Bagastra Kristianto. Today, I will presentation about inside computer. My name is 192523440. My prodi is System Information. I'm from class 19 2D01. What is inside computer? Inside the computer is a generalist purpose computer, has four main components: the arithmetic logic logic unit or ALU, the control unit, the memory, and the input and the output device, collectively termed IRO. These parts are interconnected by buses, often made of group of wires. Control unit. The control unit, often called a control system or central controller, manages the computer various components. It reads and interprets the coder, the program instruction, transforming them into a series of control signal which active other parts of the computer. A computer's memory can be viewed as a list of cells into which numbers can be replaced or read. I or O, it is the means by which a computer exchanges information with the outside world. Devices that provide input or output to the computer are called peripherals. Hardware components. Hardware component has two devices. Number one, input device. The mouse. The example is the mouse, the keyboard, tracker balls, scanners, touchpads like pens and joystick. Number two, output device. Monitor or LCD, printers, plotters, speakers, speech, synthesizers, storage device. Storage device is how it saves data and programs. The example, number one, hard disk drive, two, flash disk, three, hard disk, speed, capacity, and cost. Main part of computer. Number one, memory. How the processor stores and use immediate data. Number two, RAM. Random access memory. How computer memory is measured. Number one, byte. Two, byte. Number one, bit. Number two, byte. Number three, kilobyte. Number four, megabyte. Number five, gigabyte. Number one, PC microprocessor. The brain of the computer. PCs primarily use microprocessor, sometimes called the chip. The CPU, Central Processing Unit, is normally an Intel. It determines how fast your computer will run. It is the CPU that performs all the calculation within the computer. And this is topic 2, hardware. Hardware. Hardware is physical equipment of computer system. Two categories of hardware is one, input device, two, output device. Next, input device. Input device is computer device that is used to input data into computer system. Some categories of input device. Text input device. The example of keyboard. The example is keyboard. Number two, pointing device. The most common pointing device is mouse. Gaming device. One example of gaming device is a joystick. Number four, image video input device. The example is image scanner and webcam. Number five, audio input device. One example of audio input device is a microphone. Output. Number one, image video output device. First example is a printer. In computing, a printer is a peripheral which produces a hard copy. permanent human readable text and or graphic of document. Number 2, audio output device. Speaker, computer speaker or multimedia speakers are external speakers. Headset, headphones are a pair of small loudspeakers or less commonly a single speaker. There are from me. Thank you, sir.